Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Cash App your account is closed, or you can also get back your Cash App account that is closed right now. So what you need to do is to simply tap on your profile icon on the top right and go for the sign out button on the bottom of your screen, and you just need to make sure to log in with the right account that is closed right now, and then tap on the support tab. Once you go for this will take you to their official help center where you just need to search for closed account. Once you have searched for this, go for this can't access old account, and you just need to make sure to read all of these instructions. And if this didn't help you, you just need to tap on the chat us on the bottom of your screen, and then you just need to contact the customer support, which is live customer support, and you just need to tell the situation that your account is closed from Cash App, and you need to kind of file an appeal and make sure to give your cash tag and cash name as well. After that, you just need to wait until the Cash App customer support give you further instruction to resolve this issue. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix Cash App your account is closed.